Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today. I am actually up in my office. I just snuck away up here for a few minutes because I had something exciting I wanted to share with you. So welcome to my office. So if you happen to watch my October Unbound Planner setup, you'll know that I mentioned a new company to me called 1Canoe2. And I'm excited because I happened to catch that they had a warehouse sale a few weeks ago. And my order just came in, so I got my little 1Canoe2 shipment in. I just got a few things because I wanted to just kind of check out the company, try some things out, see what the quality was like. There's a certain design that I just absolutely fell in love with, and I kind of wish they made a bunch of other things in it, but I got a few things to just show you what they look like. So without further ado, let's turn the camera and take a look. Okay, so this is my little box of goodies that came from 1Canoe2. So we'll go ahead and take a peek. I did go in and just take out the packing materials, but it came nicely all packaged. So they have a lot of different products. They have some planning supplies, some different bags and things, and they also have a monthly subscription where you can get 5 of their custom designed cards, and this just kind of talks about that. So this is their the High Five collection is what they call it. So when you subscribe to that, then you get a monthly mailing of 5 of their hand designed cards. It's a surprise collection of our favorite goodies delivered right to your doorstep. Each month we'll send you a custom designed package filled to the brim with 5 best-selling greeting cards, a super cute color coordinating pen, gold foil envelope seals, and it's only $14.50. You can sign up for the next delivery. There's the web address for that. And I will mention I purchased everything with my own money, so I'm not affiliated at all. I just discovered that this was a company from my home state of Missouri and wanted to check it out. This is a cute little card. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. So that's like a little informational card. It talks about, it says, we hope you enjoy your new 1Canoe2 goodies. All of our artwork is painted by hand and packed with love. If there's a problem with your order, then you need to make a return, then you can just contact them there, and that's their information. And then one of the items I purchased, I think, is related to this. So they do have a Getting Started with Bullet Journaling online class you can take. So this is information about the class. So I can put some of that down below if you're interested. So the first item that I got, and I'm going to go ahead and move my box aside here so we can just take a look. So this is one of their, I think it's called a pencil bag. And this is a cotton bag, like a cotton canvas bag. It's got a little loop, nice zipper. That zipper seems like it's sturdy. I'm just going to kind of open it up. It's got that pretty design on the inside that coordinates, and I just love this design. So I have that one there, that nice pencil bag, and that will hold quite a bit. So just to show you, this is one of my Tombow markers, which those are always a little bit harder because they're longer, and of course lots of other things could fit in there too, including washi tape. So you could certainly put a whole bunch of your washi tape in there. That's a really nice size bag. So that is the pencil bag that I got. This is one of their handkerchiefs. So they actually have quite a few handkerchiefs that coordinate with all of their different designs. And I got this because I thought it might be cute tied to my day bag that I carry around with me, like my large purse. So it's just that same design. The color is a little more green in person. It's looking a little blue on my camera, but that is their very pretty handkerchief. So that'll coordinate nicely with everything. And then the final item I got is this dot grid journal. Now, as you know, I was a bullet journaler, and I don't plan on going back to bullet journaling for now. I'm just a little too busy, and I feel like I still need something that I can just kind of jump in and go. And I like to make it pretty, so that's why this book appealed to me, but it is just a blank dot grid notebook, and I do like having at least one blank notebook around that I can just throw in my bag and take along with my Unbound planner and use that for jotting notes and just taking quick reference things. So this is their dot grid journal. It comes with a ribbon bookmark, an elastic closure. It has a lay flat binding, 160 pages, and 160 GSM paper. So it is a super thick paper, bleed proof for your favorite inks, markers, and paints. There is the cover. So that is such a pretty design, and this lay flat binding means that on the side you just see the stitching and the binding. You can see it's pretty thin, pretty lightweight, and it just opens flat to the beautiful dot grid pages. They are not numbered, so if you're looking for a numbered journal, this one you would have to number yourself, but I do love how it lays flat. Even here at the very end, I don't have that many pages left, and it's still laying flat. Of course, some of these you'll just have to work open a little bit, but even at the very beginning, you know, the first couple of pages are laying flat as well. And then there is a bookmark, so there's a pretty coordinating bookmark, and that bookmark does have lots of room to go to the side and open up. So, and there is no pocket or anything at the back, but just a pretty blank notebook, so that'll be handy to have while I'm just planning and going forth throughout my day. So those are the items that I got in my 1Canoe2 order. Lots of pretty beautiful things in that same pattern. Of course, they have lots of other patterns, but this is the one that appealed to me, and I thought I'd just jump in and give a few things a try. If you have any questions, I'll link their website below. So thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed taking a look with me at some of those great products from 1Canoe2. I always love finding nice little small companies like that, just like me with my Jordan Essentials business, women that are working to build a business to help support their families and bring a little light and love to the world. Also, if you'd missed it, I just released the unboxing of all of these products here, which are the holiday set from Jordan Essentials. So I'll leave that linked below in case you want to check that out. And as always, thanks for joining me. I hope you have a great day and you're looking forward to a wonderful week ahead. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below, and that tells me you like these kinds of videos. And I'm still working on trying to get back to a regular schedule for my videos. So in the meantime, make sure to click that bell button and turn your notifications on so that you'll find out the next time I upload a video. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.